Let's start installing Rust on our Windows machine.
Open your browser and head to rust-lang.org.
Click on the Get Started button.
Now, click Other Installation Methods hyperlink, as highlighted. Scroll down and download Rust GNU Stable Version for Windows. Download the Microsoft installer.
Once MSI is downloaded, click to install it. Once everything is installed, open a command window and type rust c. If you saw a similar output, it means Rust is installed and the path variable is set. Now issue command, cargo. It is the Rust package manager. More on this later.
Let's try to execute a simple Hello World program.
Create a directory Rust example. In that directory, execute command, cargo new, hello world. It will create a directory structure and required files for your first Rust program. Now go to Source folder, located in newly created Hello World directory, and open main.rs file. It already created a Hello World program for you. Move up one directory and compile your first program.
Run command, cargo build.
It will compile your Rust code. Then run command, cargo run. It will execute your program.
And output is printed on the console.